Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the fundamentals: grip, stance, and a consistent release point. Focus on holding the dart about 1/2 inch above center so weight balances. Once done, take 3 to 4 deliberate practice throws to establish rhythm. Don't rush. Make sure to lock your elbow and follow through toward the target in a straight line. This builds a repeatable motion you can refine. It prevents early bad habits and sets you up for more precise adjustments. Now refine how and why each throw lands. You adjust aim by targeting a 0.1 to 2 centimeters above where you want impact to compensate for drop. Test and tweak. Once done, vary speed. Slightly slower throws increase accuracy while firmer throws extend reach. Practice both. Make sure to record 20 throws per session so you recognize consistent misses and adjust release or grip. This data-driven repetition trains motor memory. To finish, cement a short pre-throw routine that takes 5 to 7 seconds. Breath, aim, and a single smooth motion, so you reproduce the same start each time. Then finalize dart setup by testing flight shapes and adjusting weight in half-gram steps until trajectory matches your release. If things go wrong and throws become erratic, reset immediately. Take 5 deliberately slow throws focusing only on form, then return to normal pace. This troubleshooting clears bad timing and restores consistency fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.